ati tuingie kwa Yawe Bwana, furaha gani siku ya leo, tuingie kwa Yawe Bwana, furaha gani siku ya leo. Wewe reke ngũnyite ũgeni thĩinĩ wa thabarĩ ya mũgambo wa mũrĩmi njĩta kĩmiti wa Gĩtaũ. Ũmũthĩ ndĩrĩ mũthenya thĩinĩ wa kaunti ya Kiambu handũ hegwĩtwo Red Hill. Gũkũ nĩkuo njũkĩte nĩgetha tũke twaranĩrie, gũkũ nĩ mũciĩ. Na njũkĩte nĩgetha tũhote kũingĩra thĩinĩ wa mũgũnda wĩtagwo Yuki's Farm. Andũ aingĩ arĩa manakorwo makĩrĩma rĩ, hihi twaragia tũkauga atĩrĩrĩ, ũcio nĩ mũthuri, ũcio nĩ mwanake, rĩu ũmũthĩ rĩ ngwenda twarĩrio nĩ mũirĩtu mwĩthĩ ũrĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩte kuga atĩrĩrĩ, niĩ ngũingĩra thĩinĩ wa ũrĩmi na ngũrĩma kĩndũ gĩgwĩtwo ngũrũwe. Ngũrũwe challenge ĩrĩa nene mũno ĩkoragwo nĩ atĩrĩrĩ, thoko ĩkoragwo ĩmwe, ũkauga atĩrĩrĩ niĩ njũĩ tũtwaragwo handũ hamwe, ndiũĩ handũ hangĩ ingĩtwara ngũrũwe thutha wa kũrĩithia. Ũyũ augĩte ngwĩrĩithĩria ngũrũwe ciakwa na ndarĩkia kũrĩithia njĩke kĩndũ gĩtagwo value addition, kana kuongerera ũritũ thĩinĩ wa ngũrũwe yakwa rĩrĩa ndauga atĩrĩrĩ nĩ ngũmĩendia, koguo nĩ ngũhota kuongerera mbeca thĩinĩ wa mũhuko wakwa. Nĩkĩ na kĩekaga? Nĩkĩo ndĩrenda twaranĩrie hamwe na mweni ũcio nĩwe mũrĩmi witũ wa mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ, na kumania na hau nĩ tũgũthiĩ ikinya gwa ikinya tũingĩre thĩinĩ wa ũtaaramu tũmenye atĩrĩrĩ kũrĩa nakuo gĩthĩnjĩro rĩ nĩkĩ na kĩ gĩkagwo, nĩgetha tũhote gũtaũkwo wega value addition yũkanagĩrwo ha na ũhoro wa ũrĩithia wa ngũrũwe. Tuingie kwa Yawe Bwana, furaha gani siku ya leo. We mzeo? We mzeo? Muno makiria. Muno pio. Nilikuwa nimesahau na hiyo. Uko salama?
Karibu.
How are you?
I'm good.
Kabisa. Mimi niko lazima, unasikia hata naimba tuingie leo ni siku ya furaha.
Tunaingia Yuki Farm.
Yuki Farm. Asante sana na mimi nashukuru. So tutuzidi kusonga ama?
Yes. Karibu Yuki Farm.
All good.
Man. Karibu Yuki Farm.
Wow.
Yes.
Na ni kusafi?
Sana.
Maana inaitwa Yuki.
Yuki.
Yuki
is a Japanese word meaning organic.
Aya.
Yes.
Kwa hivyo sasa nitakuwa nikisema Yuki nasema organic na Kikuyu nasema undoire witu, yani vile yuko akakuja tu tuvamia hapa. That's nice.
Yes.
Good.
So Yuki Farm iko Red Hill,
yes,
in Tigoni.
Na
mimi naitwa Angela.
Yes.
Ndiye mimi mwenye hii farm.
Good.
Yes.
Mbona Angela ukaamua wacha niingie kwa ukulima wa pig?
Ilianza 2019. This is a dream. Tulitoka nayo kutoka Dubai. We had lived in Dubai for some years, so when it was time for us kurudi Kenya, tulikuwa sana tunataka kufanya farming. And uncle yetu moja amekuwa akifanya pig farming. So tunasikiza story yake, how he's doing, so we got interested. So tukaamua tukirudi Kenya kitu ya kwanza ni pig farming. So kutafuta nyumba kwanza ilikuwa can we get a house that is next to a farm?
Yes.
Yeah, so that's how we ended up here.
Kunaye mtaalamu mwingine ambaye mliweza kuwa naye wakati ulisema ya kwamba nataka kuanza ukulima wangu wa nguruwe.
Tulifanya research yetu na tukarealize kweli pork meat imeanza kuwa watu wanahitaji sana, people love it. So tukasema indeed we are taking the right path. Tukaanza na mama watatu, they were pregnant. Mtaalamu wetu was our uncle again. Hapo ndio tulienda tukalan, we also did some research online, we visited farmers choice offices, pia wanakuanga na training. So walitupatia manual on how to start.
Changamoto zipi ambazo uliweza kukumbana nazo siku za kwanza wakati ulisamua ya kwamba nataka kuanza ukulima wa nguruwe?
Hatukuwa tunajua what's the ratio and how many times should we feed and the correct feeds. Yes, tulikuwa tunachukua chakula farmers choice yenye wanasema it's quality feeds, but hatukuwa tunajua hawa mama wako pregnant, what should we feed them. Nasikia kila mtu anasema so and winner, so that's what we bought.
Uliamua utauzia nani wakati ulisema naanza ukulima wa nguruwe?
Venye tulianza, our main aim or focus was to sell to farmers choice. Venye tuliendelea after our first attempt kuuza kwa farmers choice, then tukaona yenyewe bei it's not favoring us, so we ventured out butcheries na kuuzia watu nje. Ufugaji
huu, hebu tueleze, unakuoga na kazi mingi?
First of all, shoving their poop. Hao tuseme ni 5-6. Wanasafisha kwa sasa, wanasafisha mara 3 kwa siku. Maji tumeweka piping kwa wall yenye inakuwa na nipples, so wanaenda tu wanasaki hiyo maji. On top of that, because chakula yao ni dry, ni unga, we do wet feeding. Wet feeding kumaanisha tunachanganyisha hiyo chakula na maji.
kunao wataalamu ambao huweza kuja kuzunguka ama kuweza kusaidiana na wewe wakati kwa ufugaji wako wa nguruwe?
We have a visiting vet who comes once per month, lakini in the middle hapo katikati kuna the farm manager.
Ukishaamua kwamba yule nguruwe ameweza kufikisha mizani ambayo inayofaa na unafaa sasa umchukue umpeleke kichinjio kutoka pale, hebu tueleze hiyo safari inakuwa namna gani?
Zikishakuwa of weight, the ideal weight, from 6.5 months unafaa kuwa unapata 90 kg. Tunapeleka kwa slaughterhouse yenye iko Kabuku, wanatuchinjia, alafu tuna disperse, tunaleta kwa butcheries, tena inatumika kwa restaurants na pia tuna supply kwa other restaurants.
Kwa sasa population yako ya nguruwe ni ngapi?
100. Wakizaliwa tunawawina 21 days. Kwa hivyo tunapeleka different pen. Wakifika 5 months, hiyo pen they are mixed both male and female. Lakini wakifika 5 months now we separate them. Kwa sasa mature male wenye tunaita boas ni 2. Sasa hawa wengine we castrate them. Ikiwa on heat ina tease. Lakini we serve with AI.
What would you challenge the young people ambao wanakutazama siku ya leo?
Kabla ujaingia ni business venture, you need to look for your market. Most of us tunaanzia biashara and you don't know where to take our produce.
What would you tell the government na pia wale ambao wanangoja bado serikali iwasaidie ndio waingie ndani ya ukulima? Yes.
Currently, I would say farmers, we are really facing challenges. So I would ask the government at least subsidize on inputs, fertilizer, feeds and whatever.
Thaici ndenda tuikirie no nitugucokereria thutha wa kahinda gatari kuraihu nigetha tuhote kwaraniria na mutaaramu ona ningi uria koragwo nyitiriire mwaro mwena uyu wa guku mugunda-ini nake atwire ni wira uriku makirutagira nguruwe ici kamuira cigitwaritwo igithinjiro ndukahutie mutambo ucio ni turacoka thutha wa kahinda gatari kuraihu.